Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a moving text on your Instagram story. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a moving text on your Instagram story, animated text. You just want to click on this post and just click on this arrow option and just click on add to the story option. Now you just need a moving text here, so I just going to click on this a symbol. So this is a GIF mouse, RGB mouse. So RGB mouse. Okay, now click on this done option. Just to click on this, you just want to increase the size. Now you just need to click on the, you just want to select the first style to make it to be a moving text, and click on this a symbol, which actually it changes to the like a dancing or moving text. You can decrease the size also to make to fit to the screen like this, and you can just change the color. So I just going to put it on the yellow color or like this color and click done. Now you can just make it here, so you can see how the moving text work. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, share this video, and subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.